Mysterious smaller Tesla, spotted at Giga Texas crash test facility. A rather mysterious Tesla vehicle was spotted during a recent drone flyover of the Giga Texas complex. The vehicle, which was covered in a protective sheet, happened to be sandwiched between Tesla Model Y units, emphasizing its seemingly smaller dimensions. A recent sighting. The covered vehicle was sighted by longtime Giga Texas watcher and drone operator Joe Tetmeyer, who has long been following the developments and progress of the facility. In his recent flyover, which was done on August 29th, the drone operator was also able to snap some footage near Giga Texas crash test facility. Based on the video, one could see that Tesla has been busy crash testing some of its vehicles. A number of Model Y units could be seen near the test site, including one that had coverings on its front. In between two Model Ys was a vehicle that looked smaller and whose roofline looked a bit different. This vehicle has caught the attention of electric vehicle watchers, some of whom speculated whether it was the Cybercab or perhaps Tesla's more affordable car. Mysterious Tesla prototype spotted covered at the Giga Texas crash test facility. It appears to be significantly shorter than the Model Y Cybercab or an entirely new vehicle. Affordable models. During the second quarter earnings call, Elon Musk highlighted that Tesla started production of more affordable models in June. These vehicles, the executive noted, would be made available to everyone this coming fourth quarter. We'll be running with the more affordable models available for everyone in Q4, Musk said at the time. The goal with those products was not to negatively impact revenue or gross margin, but just to make a car that everyone loves and wants at a more affordable price. While an affordable Tesla is exciting, some Tesla watchers also suggested that the covered vehicle in the drone operator's recent flyover could have been a Cybercab, which has already been unveiled and which is notably smaller than a Model 3 or Model Y. The Cybercab is expected to start mass production sometime next year, with initial runs likely starting this 2025. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.